1.1 Problem solving. Problem solving is a process of identifying a problem and finding the best solution for it. Problem solving is a skill that can be developed by following a well-organized approach. We solve different problems every day. Every problem is different in its nature. Some problems are very difficult and require more attention to identify the solution. A problem may be solved in different ways. One solution may be faster, less expensive and more reliable than others. It is important to select the best suitable solution. Different strategies, techniques and tools are used to solve a problem. Computers are used as a tool to solve complex problems by developing computer programs. Computer programs contain different instructions for computer. A programmer writes instructions and computer executes these instructions to solve a problem. A person can be good programmer if he has the skill of solving problems. Different problem-solving techniques are as follows: program, algorithm, flowchart, etc. 1.2 Program. A set of instructions that tells a computer what to do is called program. A computer works according to the given instructions in the program. Computer programs are written in programming languages. A person who develops a program is called programmer. The programmer develops programs to instruct the computer how to process data to convert into information. Programmer uses programming languages or tools to write programs. 1.2.1 Advantages of computer program. Different advantages of computer program are as follows. A computer program can solve many problems by giving instructions to computer. A computer program are used to perform a task repeatedly and quickly. A program can process a large amount of data easily. It can display the results in different styles. The processing of a program is more efficient and less time-consuming. Different types of programs are used in different fields to perform certain tasks. 1.3 Algorithms and pseudocode. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. The process of solving a problem becomes simpler and easier with help of algorithm. It is better to write algorithm before writing the actual computer program. 1.3.1 Properties of algorithm. Following are some properties of an algorithm. The given problem should be broken down into simple and meaningful steps. The steps should be numbered sequentially. The steps should be descriptive and written in simple English. Algorithms are written in a language that is similar to simple English called pseudocode. There is no standard to write pseudocode. It is used to specify program logic in an English-like manner that is independent of any particular programming language. Pseudocode simplifies program development by separating it into two main parts. Logic design. In this part, the logic of the program is designed. We specify different steps required to solve the problem and the sequence of these steps. 2. Coding. In this part, the algorithm is converted into a program. The steps of algorithm are translated into instructions of any programming language. The use of pseudocode allows the programmer to focus on the planning of the program. After the planning is final, it can be written in any programming language. Example 1. The following algorithm inputs two numbers, calculates sum and then displays the result on screen. 1. Start. 2. Input A. 3. Input B. 4. Total equals A plus B. 5. Display total. 6. Exit. Example 2. The following algorithm inputs radius from the user and calculates the area of circle. Hint, area equals 3.14, radius. 1. Start. 2. Input radius in R. 3. Area equals 3.14, RR. 4. Print area. 5. End. Example 3. The following algorithm calculates the distance covered by a car moving at an average speed of v meter per second in time t. It should input average speed v and time t. Hint s equals vt where s is the distance traveled. 1. Start. 2. Input average speed in V. 3. Input time in T. 4. S equals V, T. 5. Print S. 6. End. Example 4. The following algorithm finds the sum of first 50 natural numbers. 1. Start. 2. Sum equals 0. 3. N equals 0. 4. Repeat step 5 and 6 while n, 50. 5. Sum equals sum plus n. 6. N equals n plus 1. 7. Print sum. 8. End. 1.3.2 Advantages of algorithms. Some advantages of algorithm are as follows. 1. Reduced complexity. Writing algorithm and program separately simplifies the overall task by dividing it into two simpler tasks. While writing the algorithm, we can focus on solving the problem instead of concentrating on a particular language. 2. Increased flexibility. Algorithm is written so that the code may be written in any language. Using the algorithm, the program could be written in Visual Basic, Java or C++, etc. 3. Ease of understanding. It is not necessary to understand a particular programming language to understand an algorithm. It is written in an English-like manner.